Christmas ball. Woo! The boys had left the ranches and come to town in piles. The ladies kinda scattering had gathered in 4 miles. The room was togged out gorgeous with mistletoe and shawls. The candles flickered frescoes around the airy wall. The women folk looked lovely. The boys looked kind of treat till the leader got to yelling, "Hey fellas, let's stampede!" And the music started sighing and wailing through the hall as a kind of introduction to the Cowboys' Christmas ball. Their leader was a feller that came from Swenson's ranch. They called him